Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Subham and you're watching Code Commune. So today I'm going to start with another tutorial series where we will solve some of the Leetcode problems. So every week we will try to solve few of the Leetcode problems, and I'm starting with the basics problem. And so I have chosen this kind of like a 2 week study plan to tackle DS. So I'm starting with this, and here the first question is based on the array. So it is kind of that 14-day kind of plan. So I'm starting with the array. So first problem is the contains duplicate, so I'm going to start with this, and I'm going to use Java for entire series. So just be with me and let's solve together. So the first problem itself is saying the given an integer array nums return true if any value appears at least twice in the array. So and return false if every element is distinct. So basically the problem is like you have given an array. So what you want, like if there is all element is distinct, in that case you just return false, and if any element is repeated, so in that case you need to return true. So in the problem, the example first, you can see there is one is repeated for 2 times, so the output is true. And in the second example you can see every element is unique or distinct, so in that case the output is false. So here is a two approach. The first approach would be the order of n squared. Like what you can do, you can take the you can take the distinct element of that array and store it somewhere, and then you can iterate over that and compare each and every element of array with the distinct element. Okay, so that is kind of the order of n squared approach. And another approach would be like I want to solve in order of n, because there will be kind of some kind of TLE problem. So for tackle that, I want to use order of n. So what I want to do, so my approach would be like I will solve using, first I will sort this array, and then I'll just compare each and adjacent. If any adjacent is equal, then I'll just return true, and if not, then return false. So let's start with this. So I'm not going to write any algorithm on logic for sorting. I'm just going to call that arrays.sort, because that will be more easier to sort it, right? So arrays.sort, I'm passing this nums array. Okay, and now I'm going to just iterate over this. So int I equal to 0, I less than nums dot length. Okay, and I plus plus, and the condition would be like nums of I equal to nums of I plus 1. Okay, and here is the thing, like, okay, just wait a moment, there is some kind of syntax issue. Yeah, so here is the thing, like because I'm comparing with the next element like I plus 1, so index will throw some kind of array index out of point exception, because I'm providing here just nums dot length, right? So what I will do, I'll just decrease -1. Okay, now here is thing, now just write return true if matching, and then come out of the loop and return false. Okay, so that is our logic. Now let's run this. Okay, so the simple test case is passing. As you can see, the first case is like having some kind of repeated element, like 1 is repeated here, so output will be true. And in the second case, you can see the distinct element, so output will be false. And in the third case, you can also see that like many number is repeated, right? So the output will be true. Now let's submit this. Okay, so we have submitted, now it's accepted, right? So our code is working fine, and You can also see the runtime is 21 millisecond and the memory is 56.5 MB. Okay, so that's is our logic. So that's all about this video. I hope you have understand it and enjoyed it. So till then, like now, because we want to continue in the next video, so till then, bye bye. Thank you.